Okay, 7 o'clock, 7:01. Time to start opening. How did that not come? Got one box, one retail box of NHL Series 1. Lancaster, Schultz, Gibson. Got a young gun for the Avalanche, Kyle Burroughs. Sleeve that up. One young gun down. I believe there should be, I think they're 1 and 4. Should be 1 and 4, yeah. So there should be 6 young guns. Jesus Christ. Rasmussen. Can, Keller, and then Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, goalie for the Sabres. Ukko-Pekka, that's what I'm going to call him. Nice one. Then you got a Lafreniere, Max Domi, and Max. Got a Dazzlers, I think. Got Nicholas Backstrom, Torrey Krug, Bergeron, and then Herberto Red Dazzlers. A little bit more base. Got another Dazzler. Got Silversmith, Joel Stahl, and Alex Newhook of the Colorado Avalanche. Got portraits, I believe. Austin Matthews portraits. Another portraits. You got Tyler Malin, Tristan Jarry, Kevin Lankinen, and Jack Hughes portraits. Got a Hundo P of hopefully McDavid. Nope. Roman Josi, Roberto, Nylander, Sebastian Aho. Golly, jeez. It has to be the hardest packs ever to open. Okay. Got Trevor Moore, Thomas, Brett Burns, Kierfoot, Duncan Keith, Hundo P, Cam Fowler. Okay. Cal Maker, best defenseman in the league. Michael Bunting. Victor got Cam York for the Philadelphia Flyers. Young gun. There you go. 3 down for the Young Guns. Okay. Mark, John Norris, Travis, and we got a Young Guns for the San Jose Sharks. Got Brunson Pasternak. There you go. Lino and Jason Robinson. Got Zuccarello, Samsonov. We got a canvas here. Gabe Vilardi, canvas. Teak, Henrique, Troy Terry, Khalid. Okay. Ty Smith, Jonathan, Kaapo Kakkonen. Got another canvas of Ryan O'Reilly. Getting tripped, it looks like. Ooh, a Blue Dazzlers. Okay. Bob Adam Lowry. Alex Pelangelo. Okay, what's the difference? I don't know which one's more rare. Dazzler's blue, so that's 1 per box, and then the red with 2 per box. Okay. Okay. Is that another rookie? Or no, that's another canvas. Dylan Cozens. Fleury, Josie. Okay, let's see here. Marcus. Got a debut dates for Pierre Oliver Jose. Mark, Tanner, Rasmussen, Anderson, and Jake. Gene, Morgan Riley. We got a Robinson and Kaprizov checklist. Devin Towles, a rookie perspective of Keandre Miller. And then Pierre. Okay. Jake. Jordan Binnington. And we got Keaton Middleton for the Avalanche. Jack Hughes, Jack Eichel. Larson, Marchand, Crosby, Carey Hart, Young Guns. Got R2 for the Buffalo Sabres. Will very likely be our last Young Guns unless they gave us a little bit extra. Let's see. Jeez, I did quite a few packs though. 50 bucks. Vasilevsky. Oh, that's a pink Dazzlers, which I believe. Yeah, pink is 1 in 144 packs, so could be a good one. I've never heard of that guy. Not a huge hockey guy, but I have never heard of that guy. So we're just gonna move on. Congratulations to the Islanders, though. Okay, Cirelli, Panarin, Josh Bailey, Compter, canvas of Ryan Ellis. Rookie perspective, nope, superstar thing. Superstar insert, Sebastian Aho. Gallagher, Ethan Bear, Gaudreau. Got Alexander Barkov, superstar, insert, Kaprizov, second year. Got Joe Farby, electromagnetic. Connor McDavid, Savannah Jad, not bad. Let's see what we got here. Tarvis on the back. Maybe one more Young Gun. Yes. Nope. Suzerkin, debut dates. Yeah, that's 6. So we got R2, the Sabres. We got Keaton Middleton for the Avalanche. Brunson Pasternak for the San Jose Sharks. Cam York for the Flyers. Ukko-Pekka for the Sabres. And Kyle Burgos for the Colorado Avalanche. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.